Welcome to this Java developer course. In this video, I'll give you a high-level overview of the topics you'll learn and the impressive new skills you can expect. By the time you'll complete this course, you'll be well equipped to create Java applications and you'll have built some projects to showcase your abilities. So let's talk about the topics. We'll start by introducing you to Java and its importance to the world of programming. We'll first deal with the Java application structure, so you get an idea of what Java applications look like. Next, we'll move on to the basic block of programming, variables and arrays. After that, we're ready to see the difference between primitives and objects. Since objects play a very important role in Java, it's an object-oriented programming language, we better start with this really soon. After this, we're going to add more logic and be able to do some control flow of our code. And then we'll see how we can write and use methods. Once we have the basics down, you are ready for step 2. This includes some concepts that might sound very difficult right now. For example, we'll be talking about access and static modifiers. Also be dealing with the string and string builder class. And we'll see dates and times in Java. And we even introduce object-oriented programming, OOP. And we'll deal with constructors. So this is going to be tough. And we're going to include topics for OOP such as inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. But not to worry. I'll break them down into small parts so you can master them as well. And you'll need them, because these concepts are key to writing reusable and maintainable Java code. And also enums. So this is going to include some very difficult concepts. For example, when we deal with OOP, we'll be dealing with inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. This might sound very difficult right now, but not to worry. I'll break them down into small parts so you can master them. And you'll need them, because these concepts are key to writing Java code. Not to mention, they get us ready for the more advanced topics. And yes, we'll cover quite some more advanced topics too. We'll be dealing with interfaces and abstract classes. We're going to cover collection and generics, so that we can store multiple values in one variable. We'll also deal with exceptions, so that we know what to do when something doesn't go according to the happy path. And we're also going to be focusing on reading and writing files. Next, we'll see lambda expressions, which probably sounds more intimidating than it really is. And then we'll be dealing with functional programming. After that, you're ready to talk about the Java memory in a bit more detail. And lastly, we'll be dealing with the basics of concurrency. This is quite a lot, but this will really enhance your programming capabilities in Java. After every module, you'll be doing some hands-on exercises to truly master them before proceeding. It can be tempting to skip those, I know that feeling, but I'd really like to encourage you to wrestle your way through. Practicing with the separate concepts will get you ready for applying your newly acquired skills in real life. And then we'll end the course with some fun projects, such as creating games like Tic-Tac-Toe and Hangman. At that point, you'll have a solid foundation in Java programming, and you'll be ready to tackle more advanced topics and frameworks. I really can't wait to see what you'll create. So, are you ready for this exciting journey? Let's start coding and transform you into a Java developer.